January dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker, and you can also check these other viral trends if you like. So there you have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get the YouTube tutorial, which is super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. But like I said, I will show it to you after I will do the story for the video, so stay tuned. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a photo from January, a photo or 4 photos. So I will go ahead and do that. So I uploaded one photo right now. As you can see, it's this one. You can place it where you want by using your 2 fingers. Then if you want to add a second photo, you have to click on the stickers from the top of the screen. And here you have to click on this plus icon right here and choose your second photo. So this is my second photo. You can place it where you want. Make sure to click on the add yours button so it will not disappear. And now for the third photo, once again you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then click on the plus icon. So now you can place your sticker where you want, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. And now guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account, and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights this time. So here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel. And this video has 2 to 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel, and you can now join our membership if you want to have some perks. You can now talk with us in private and solve all of your problems. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.